Hey guys, this is Alex from 4C Training, and today we are going to talk about Elrond yet again. So a couple of weeks back we did a high time frame analysis on Elrond, and we sort of talked about what sort of things are we expecting. We actually drew a couple of scenarios that are possible. I actually deleted those scenarios because chart was way too messy for us to continue or start a video on that one, right? But basically, which scenario prevailed is this one that we said if it's going to reject this one, going to retrace a little bit and go to the next one, and then this one is going to reject again. And so far our fib has worked pretty much fantastically. Both of the points were pretty much rejected quite on point. So right now I'm going to say Elrond is still the chart, the whole Elrond chart is still ridiculously bullish, right? So I'm not gonna try to find any shorts or anything or try to find reversals because that makes no sense, right? I would much rather follow the trend and see how far it takes me. And when I get wrecked, I get wrecked. Then I'll obviously switch my looks around and probably try to find a short, right? And the next area right now for long, I'm gonna look at this area in this case, and I'm just gonna move this trade all the way up here. Which in this case right now, let's see how big of a stop we can actually muster, right? So I would say like this, I'm not gonna go much fatter than this stop. I'm not gonna go much fatter than this stop. The point of this is if it doesn't hold this area right here, you're probably gonna go down, right? You have high chances of going down. So yes, I will set this stop loss right here, but in this case I will set a stop loss on my phone on Tap Trader, just in case if you get a quick week down and it goes right back up, I don't want to be stopped at it. I'm gonna stop this stop loss on the manual usage, right? Because Bitcoin can fall down and anything, and the price can overact a little bit, and then you get 1 second week down, and it then ends up right completely back up here, and you're out of the trade, right? So when I have those stop losses right on the border of those invalidation points, I rather set it on my phone on Tap Trader, and then once the phone goes off, then I go to the PC, I look at it and I manually sell it, right? Stop in this case is about 11%, which is a little bit on the fatter side that I take, right? But in this case I don't really can do much. This is what it is when you have this low USDT coins, right? The stop can really get fat really fast, but then again also the targets can really get fat, right? So the first target, I'm gonna take it right over here. I'm gonna take it fast because I'm not no magician, right? I don't know if the trend is gonna continue from here, so I'm gonna make it as break even as fast as possible. And then the second profit target is going to be right up here on the red line, which I'm going to just do a green light next to it. So it's going to be so people can already see. And if that one holds as well, I'm going to move it all the way up here. And that would be for 131% raise on this coin. So yes, I do still think it's possible. The trend is obviously a lot of bullish. If I do happen to get only hit like one TP then and the whole thing reverses, then it's no problem. Elrond is on Binance. It can be shorted now as well, as since it is the part of the futures contract, so we can play it. Otherwise we can play on the other side again, but I don't think that's gonna happen for now. I don't think the trend will possibly still continue because we just Bitcoin is looking really great, and we kind of entered this we are kind of on the verge of that bull market, right? So I do think alts could perform still well. And Elrond, as I understand, has a good FA as well. So I do think it has a lot more potential to go, but we'll see what happens, right? We're not gonna try to predict anything special. We're just gonna play the chart, how the chart is given to us, right? Or what the chart is actually showing us, right? So yes, thank you for watching, guys. Please do subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.